down the road as the trees go past. Bicycle wheels go spin, spin, spin. Pedal to the park with a great big grin. Round and round the wheels all go, taking us places high and low. From work to fun, from play to steel, life moves forward on a wheel. Up in the sky at the county fair, the Ferris wheel turns high in the air. We wave to the ground and feel the breeze, round and round with so much ease. In a quiet shop with clay so wet, a spinning wheel shapes a flower pot set. With hands so gentle it starts to grow, a wobbly lump turns smooth and slow. Round and round the wheels all go, helping us build, create and show. From art to rides, from toys to meals, so much magic's in the wheels. In a busy shop with machines so loud, gears and wheels work big and proud. They roll and turn to build and make, from tiny toys to birthday cake. Some wheels are small, some wheels are grand, some spin in air, some turn by hand. But every wheel in its own way helps the world work every day. Ooh, ooh, round and round, they never stop. Wheels are rolling non-stop, non-drop. From bikes to art to a Ferris ride, wheels make the world turn far and wide. So next time you see a wheel, give it a spin. It might just take you on your next big adventure.